In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called OS 18 Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then tap on while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. Following that, close an ad and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished to apply your launcher, you need to hit Set as Default at the top and click on it here. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going into the same app, hitting Set as Default and tapping on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!